Ever wonder why some people seem to get more done, build more wealth, and still have time to spare? It's not luck, it's how they use their time. The rich don't just make money differently. They think about time differently. Most people waste hours every day without realizing it. But rich and productive people ruthlessly protect their time, and there are specific things they never wasted on. Today, we're revealing the top 10. 1. Mindless scrolling. Rich people use social media strategically, not to scroll endlessly. They consume with purpose or create instead. 2. Gossip and drama. The wealthy avoid emotional clutter. Gossip drains time and energy. 3. Multitasking. Multitasking lowers productivity. Rich individuals focus, one task, full attention. 4. Dwelling on the past. Wealth builders don't ruminate. They reflect, learn, and move forward. 5. Unnecessary meetings. Meetings without outcomes. They avoid or delegate. Time equals money. 6. Arguing online. Rich minds don't argue on the internet. They build quietly, ignoring noise. 7. Overplanning. They plan, but don't get paralyzed. Action beats perfection. 8. Chasing every opportunity. Rich people say no often. Focus scales results. 9. Managing everything themselves. They outsource. Time is better spent on high-leverage moves. 10. Waiting for motivation. They act, whether they feel like it or not. Discipline wins. Want to start thinking like the rich? Start by protecting your time like they do. Cut these 10 habits and watch how fast your life changes. Which of these are you quitting today? Comment below. Subscribe for more habits of the wealthy.